This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. We're assembling a backpack. We have assembled a backpack for today for a little girl, and we are sewing the front to the back now. I have pinned the front piece to the back piece, and we're ready to sew the side seam. 5/8 of an inch from the side. Actually, we have to start at a taper at the very top because of the way that the casing was made. Tapering off to the 5/8 inch seam. All the way around the outside edge. When I get near the bottom, I'm going to be very careful because the D-ring has been basted into the seam that we assembled in a former clip. I want to make sure that I don't run over the D-ring and break my needle. So I'm cautious in that area. I'm also going to reinforce it because that's where a lot of the wear and tear is going to be once the drawstring is applied. And I don't want the drawstring breaking on this sweet little girl that'll be using this backpack. At the corner, I'll just lift the presser foot and turn. I'm going to reinforce that corner too. Continue all the way around with a 5/8 inch seam. I'm just about to the other D-ring, so I'll slow down a little bit. Move it out of the way up underneath. Reinforce that corner. And we're just about finished. Let's finish up this side. Tapering up to the very top edge near the casing. And that completes sewing the outside edge at the front to the back of our backpack.